Good morning, students. Let's continue with our 8th chapter, The Boy with a Catapult. The narrator, with his family, shifted to a new bungalow, which was an old style bungalow. Here, only Bodhraj used to wander, as the narrator's other friends seldom came to meet him, as the bungalow it was far from the city. So only Bodhraj could come and visit the place. The mother did not approve, narrator's mother did not approve narrator's friendship with Bodhraj, but she realized that her son was lonely and he needed company. So she unwillingly accepted the friendship of Bodhraj. One day, mother informed the narrator that Bodhraj had a habit of destroying nest. So it's better that ask him to clean our storeroom, as we studied that in the storeroom it was a filthy place. There were many nests, and the storeroom it was a haunt of pigeons. So mother suggested the narrator to inform Bodhraj to clean the storeroom by removing the nest. The narrator protested. The narrator said that she only taught him that destroying nest was a cruel activity. Then mother explained him that Bodhraj had to remove the nest, not to harm the birds. Bodhraj had to remove the nest without harming the birds. Then the narrator agreed to take help of Bodhraj to clean the storeroom. So on the next day, when Bodhraj came, the narrator took him to his storeroom. The next time Bodhraj came, the narrator took him to the godown, it means to the storeroom. It was dark and smelly. When the mother suggested the narrator to clean the storeroom with the help of Bodhraj, so when Bodhraj came, the narrator took him to the storeroom. That storeroom, it was dark and smelly. The narrator informed Bodhraj that he had to just remove the nest, no need to harm the birds. But the narrator was not sure about Bodhraj, and that is why the narrator, he was worried about Bodhraj. If he destroyed the nest, pulled out birds' feathers and broke their eggs, so the narrator, he was worried about Bodhraj's reaction. Bodhraj had brought his catapult. He studied the position of the nest in the godown, in the storeroom. Then he found Mana's nest, as well as some pigeons were walking in a very proud manner. So when Bodhraj had taken his catapult and studied the position of the nest under the roof, he also observed Mana's nest, and some pigeons walked in a very proud manner. Aiming with his catapult, Bodhraj informed the narrator that there were Mana's young ones up there. Bodhraj noticed the Mana's nest, raised his catapult and informed the narrator that there were Mana's little ones, it means children of Mana, they were outside. The narrator also noticed two tiny yellow beaks peeping out of the nest. Even the narrator also observed that two tiny yellow beaks, they were looking outside from the nest. Then Bodhraj, he informed the narrator that it was Ganga Mana. It was Ganga Mana. It means one of the species of mana. It was not usually found in those areas. After stating this, the narrator asked Bodhraj, what about their parents? Where their parents were? Then Bodhraj replied him that the parents of the young ones of Mana, they must have gone in search of food. Then again Bodhraj raised his catapult. After that, Bodhraj was ready to shoot. During that time, the narrator thought that he would stop him. But before the narrator could open his mouth, Bodhraj had shot. There was hissing sound and there was a sound heard by the narrator. First shot, it was missed by Bodhraj and the pebble hit the roof of the room. Due to this, the tiny beaks disappeared. It means vanished. The young ones of Mana, they were hidden in the nest. Now their beaks, they were not visible. Silence prevailed in the room. The sound made by the chicks and by the other birds, they were stopped. So there was totally silence in the room. So once again Bodhraj tried he tried. That time the pebble struck a beam. So once again Bodhraj missed the target. So Bodhraj, now he was angry with himself because he was a sharpshooter. He was proud of his aim, but today he missed his two shots. So he became angry. When the chicks, after some time, when the chicks peeped over the rim of the nest, means after few times when the young ones of Mana came out from their nest at the boundary of their nest, Bodhraj was ready for his third try. He was ready with his third try, and this time he hit the side of the nest, and due to it some straws and bits of cotton wool fell, but the nest, it was not dislodged. Dislodged, it means not removed from its position. So three trials of Bodhraj, they were failed. First time the pebble hit the roof, second time it hit the beam, and third time it hit the side of the nest, and due to it a few straws and bits of cotton fell, but the nest, it was not removed. Thank you.